Alright, hey guys, I am coming at you from Minnesota. My name is Brandon, and I am going to be showing you my 2007 WRX. I've been working on it for, probably 5 months now. Probably be another month or two before it's back on the road at this point, but it's my favorite car to this day. So I'll just go over it. Alright, so we got the 2.5 liter turbo. On top here we have the front intercooler. This is the top mount intercooler. And then we have the VF48 turbo. We have some new air lines. Having a lot of leaks with a vacuum leak. Just been taking care of that lately. Everything's been going good. Alternator went out on me. Had a little bit of an issue. Had my headlights go out from it. Got that all replaced. Got the belt replaced. Got the headlight replaced. I do absolutely love the CLED. I absolutely hate the projection. I think that they came faulty, but the distributor would not give me a new set, so this is what I get. And they are a DT Moto distributed, but that is not who makes them. So I do have World Rally Blue. However, kind of went into the ditch with it last winter. So now we got our black bumper and black fender. Stay tuned, eventually this will get wrapped. Alright, and then currently what I'm working on is CV axle and control arms and trailing arm. Now I got some of the pieces laying here, I got some of the pieces over there. This guy here, completely stuck in. Absolutely soldered to the bushing. Will not come out. So, in a couple of days here, I'm going to cut the bolt on both ends on the inside and pull it out. And I got new bolts coming from Subaru, so that'll be good. Differential looks good. Got our new wheel bearings, new hub, new rotor, and then our awesome Petter suspension, which I will go over in another video. The install for the Petters was easy as can be. 5 bolts, 2 down there, 3 nuts up top, behind the back seat. Absolutely love them. Completely stiff. I just have the OEM Subaru calipers, and then I did the PowerStop Z26 kit. Figured that would be a good daily driving kit. I didn't want anything too expensive, but I also wanted to keep the performance aspect. You can kind of see on the front, it does have some gap. The coilovers that I had in there were completely shot, but there was no gap. Once the vehicle's actually on the ground, it looks pretty good. And then with the mount up here, you got the 3, and then the 2 bolts on the back. So this is a 2007 Impreza WRX TR. Obviously I haven't been able to wash it, haven't been able to do a whole lot with it at the moment. This car does have 215,000. And it's going strong. It'll be going up shortly. My interior, I currently just have the regular seats. Stay tuned, I have seats ordered. I'll be installing those next week. Alright, and then we got my shifter. I absolutely love the tall shifter. I have it on a short boy, but tall shifter, easy for sitting back. I just had this all dipped in blue. I absolutely love it. Same with that. Interior, the AEM boost gauge and the AFR gauge. I absolutely love them. They work great. And then I have my tripod gauge from GlowShift. The coolant works great. The oil sandwich plate I'm not a fan of, so I actually ended up removing it. And then got the kiddo seat, got the factory amp. So yeah, it's been a project. Currently, I would say, you know, it's kind of a pain, but it's still worth it. Not too much rust. Got some spots that'll have to be cut out and welded in. Not too bad though. And then I am curious to see if anyone is interested in a Galaxy Purple wrap. Currently I do have the roof carbon fiber wrapped and the hood carbon fiber wrapped. It actually is held up really well. It looks pretty decent for what it is. But I would like to change it up. So leave your comment about the Galaxy Purple wrap and what you would think on that with a 2007 WRX. Alright, well that kind of sums up everything that I wanted to show for the overview. So I think I will get back to what I was doing and I'll make some more videos for you guys, showing you some of the installs, some of the removals, any little tips that I have. If there's any parts that you see that you're questioning, go ahead and send me a message, comment. I'd be happy to let you know what it is. So yeah, alright, you guys have a good day.